Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 2. Just woke up, y'all. It is about 9:50 right now. And I'm about to hop in the shower and brush my teeth, wash my face. All that good stuff. Okay, I got up out the bed, y'all. So I have the next couple of days of Vlogmas planned out. Actually, today we are doing a sit down video and a vlog type of thing. I'm gonna do a Christmas playlist for today. Tomorrow we're doing the Christmas decoration inspo shopping, and then on Monday we're doing a gingerbread man competition. So I got the next 3 days planned out, so at least we're a little bit organized about what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, I'm about to get started on the laundry actually, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower. I hope you guys are excited for today, Vlogmas day 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you're notified when I upload new content. So yeah, let's get today started. Okay, I know that y'all are probably looking at these piles and like, what in the world have you been doing? Well, let me tell you something, okay? Niggas haven't cleaned or done laundry since we came back from Thanksgiving, which was Monday? Which was Monday, yeah. And I really didn't do a deep clean before I left. So yeah, this is the aftermath of that. This is me and his clothes, some towels right there, sheets, and just a lot. So this is a judgment-free zone. And if your room is messy, this is your sign to clean up, because honestly, I don't know how we've been functioning lately. If you think you're depressed, if you think you're in a slump, if you think you're sad, just clean your room. I promise you, it's 9 times out of 10 majority of your problem. So actually, this is a lot. This is not typical laundry day for me. That's why I'm starting today. Tomorrow is cleaning day, but that gotta happen today. It's just too much discombobulation. Let's attack it, and let's attack it together, because we're promoting positivity and self-care and all the self-care tips. So like I said, if you think you're sad, in a slump, or depressed, or anything like that, choose to take control of something that you can take control of, something that's in your control. Anything out of your control, what are you giving it attention for? If you can't do anything about it, then move on, because you're wasting your time. So yeah, I'm gonna take control of this, I'll tell you that much.
So
Alright, y'all, the sheets are in the washer and dryer. So I'm about to hop in the shower now. It is now 12:24. So I got up at what, 10? Taking me like 2.5 hours. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower while all of that is getting washed. And I don't have any more razor head for my freaking razor, so I need to go and get some. Also, my daddy has $200 for me to use to go to Whole Foods. So shout out you, because I'm starving. Starving is an understatement, actually. So yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm gonna get dressed to go and get some food because I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. It is now almost 2 o'clock, about 1:50. So what time did I get in the shower? Or said that I was getting in the shower, like 12 something. I ended up editing what I recorded because I am still getting used to editing. So it's taking me a little longer than I would like for it to. But that is okay, we will get better with time. So I am headed to Whole Foods right now to get some fruits and some salmon and some chicken, some lettuce and stuff. I'm super excited and so freaking happy. Every time that I go and say, yeah, I'm about to go to Whole Foods and get some lettuce for a salad and I'm gonna get some fruit, I never end up eating it because I always end up eating some bullshit. But you know what? I needed to do that because what life has shown me is that if I continue to eat bullshit, I'm never gonna ever feel like good because that shit is literally eating away at my soul, bruh. And where's my car? I think it's up there. Hopefully it's not towed or nothing. Every time that I bullshit and say I'm gonna eat healthy and I don't, I instantly regret it. I am ecstatic to be going to get some real freaking food now. I'm about to hop in the car and head to Whole Foods, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. Finally get to go shop for some food that's gonna help us. Jason has come through, so again, shout out you because you did your big one today. You did your big one. I made it to Whole Foods, y'all, and there is no freaking parking in this parking lot. It's 2:15, and apparently everybody in their damn mama is out here shopping. I'll update y'all when I finally get inside and find a spot, because apparently nowhere to go. Finally got me a spot. So I just know that it is about to be packed in this store. So I came prepared, and I brought my Beats, because I do not be liking all that freaking commotion. It's noise canceling today, hun, because this trip in this store is gonna be a nice one. I brought my reusable bags and I am prepared for everything that is to come my way in this store. So let's get in and out. Okay, I finished grabbing all of the fruit and I grabbed some salmon. Now I'm headed to get some chicken, and Kylan said he wanted some rice. I also need to look for some yellow rice, and then I'm gonna be done. Okay, I'm done shopping, but now I gotta figure out how in the world do I see the gift card points that he told me about, because that's how we're checking out today. Y'all will not believe what in the world just happened. So it's partially my fault, but I mean, I just didn't know. So I went in there and shopped for all my groceries like I showed y'all. I went to check out and trying to figure out how in the world can I use my Amazon gift card, because Amazon and Whole Foods are together. So I'm thinking, okay, do I just scan my in-store code or whatever? Bro, I had to place a pickup order with the gift card and leave all of my groceries there because I can't use it in store, which I did not know. But it's a win-lose situation kind of, because if I would have had to do the pickup order, I would have had to have them pick my fruit, and I don't like placing pickup orders for fruit because then they just pick bad fruit, and it's just no. I got to pick my own fruit like how I pick my friends, you feel me? But now I still have the problem of my starvation, and there's nothing to eat at home, and there's nothing that I want to grab out here. Back to square one. That just wasted so much time. Well, not wasted time, but it took more time than I had intended to here. That I was gonna be in and out, quick and easy little grocery shopping, but no. So don't know what I'm gonna eat. I was in there so happy thinking I was gonna get all of that fruit, all of that food. That's what it is. I'm picking it up at 8 a.m. tomorrow, between 8 and 9. It's gonna be better either way because I got to pick what I wanted. If I get food, I'll let y'all know, but I'm probably not. I'm just gonna go home. I'm just gonna go home. So yep, that's what happened. So I decided, since I'm already downtown, that I might as well go to Chick-fil-A that's over here, since that's the closest, and all this other stuff that's around here was like sushi and like a Lebanese spot. So I'm going with what I know best, even though I just had this other day. I'm hungry. It's this or like real fast food, McDonald's, Wendy's, all that bull. So this is not the best option, but in do or die, I gotta survive, you feel me? I'm heading in here. I'm getting day 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. I think I'm gonna get 2 regular sandwiches and 2 large fries. I'm out of breath. I look, he just hiked that hill back there, and I parked and did not pay. So I'm trying to hurry up and go in here, grab this order, and come out hopefully faster than I thought I was gonna be in Whole Foods. There's so many people in here, bruh. Pray to God I get my order quick, even though they be pretty fast sometimes. So I think I'll be straight for real. One thing Chick-fil-A is gonna do though is figure out how to have some efficient service, because they got bro in line with us taking our orders. Hi, can I do India, sorry.
Yeah, how may I serve you?
Can I have 2 spicy chicken sandwiches, meals?
Deluxe or regular spicy?
Regular.
What's your drink?
Can I do a half and half, the sweet tea and lemonade?
Okay, for both?
Yeah.
Alright, any sauce and condiments on the meals?
Barbecue sauce, please.
Anything else?
Yes, can I do a regular chicken sandwich?
This is sounds right there.
The meal, and can I get American cheese and pickles on it?
Okay, what's your drink?
The same thing, the half and half.
Okay, anything else?
No, and then the first one, was that 2 different meals or just?
You want 2 different spicy meals?
I just want 2 sandwiches and then the large fry and then the drink. And can you make the second one the same way? The 2 sandwiches, large fry, and then the drinks. And then the first one with barbecue sauce, the second with Chick-fil-A.
Anything else?
That's all.
Alright, so deluxe a regular sandwich, add American cheese with an additional sandwich. Spicy sandwich with a half and half, large fry, both of them large fries. And with an additional sandwich.
Yes.
Alright, when you get to the restaurant, just let them know your name. You may have to register, okay?
Thank you. That was complicated for no freaking reason, bro. Not gonna lie, y'all, it's 11 o'clock at night and the Christmas playlist did not get done because I spent my entire day in Whole Foods redoing that order. But nevertheless, we gonna try it again tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm gonna start the day off with the playlist tomorrow after I go and pick up the order from Whole Foods. But this, unfortunately, is the end of Vlogmas Day 2. I will catch you guys bright and early in the morning. Y'all can wake up with me again. I just got done editing. I'm about to upload it and hopefully we'll have the videos up at an earlier date. Like I said, it's just taking me a minute to edit, but I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I post. And yeah, stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 3 coming tomorrow.